Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline. This transporter comes with a 2.0 TDI engine pushing out 110 PS. It also comes with a short wheelbase which makes it easier to manoeuvre. It is covered in a pure grey colour with a solid finish. Starting with the front exterior features, this transporter comes with electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors, perfect for cold weather conditions, as well as front parking sensors. The wheels that this transport sits on are 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels. You also get the alloy wheel security locking bolts and a steel spare wheel with the original tyre equipment. Moving round to the back for the rear exterior features, there are rear loading barn doors to access the loading area, as well as rear parking sensors to also add to that extra bit of confidence when you are parking. Opening the rear barn doors, you can see that there is a very spacious loading area that is fully ply lined. You also have a steel bulkhead at the front in black. This just adds an extra bit of durability when you are putting in your goods, equipment and belongings and taking them out. An alternative way to access the loading area is the single sliding door on the passenger side. This just adds extra convenience as well as making sure that it is easy for you to take out your belongings and equipment without damaging the vehicle. In the front of the vehicle, there are a 3-seater passenger bench that is covered in bricks woven fabric upholstery in titanium. The driver's seat has armrests on either side to add that extra bit of comfortability, and you have a 6.5-inch infotainment system. This infotainment system allows you to listen to your favourite radio stations. You can also connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This will also allow you to use the sat-nav on your devices to get traffic updates. In front of the driver is a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel which allows them to skip through their favourite songs, adjust the volume, use the inbuilt cruise control and answer calls. That is it for this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline. Thank you for watching and goodbye.